This DC motor has a serious problem. When I connect it to a 12-volt supply, it runs at about half speed and has much less torque. I can easily stop it with my fingers. It also gets much hotter than usual under load. So let's open it up and see what's wrong. When I pulled the rotor out, I noticed that the coils were in bad condition. Some were actually broken. If I want to ever see this motor run again, I will need to replace all the windings. I will rewind this motor with thicker wire and less turns so it will go much faster than it did before. As I was taking the old wire off, I noticed that some parts of it were stuck to itself. It probably got so hot that the wire's coating melted together in some spots. Once I got the old wire off, I wrapped 18 turns of the thicker wire on each pole. When I put it together and powered it, it spins extremely fast. Even though it is drawing much more power and spinning faster, the sparking at the brushes is actually better than it was before I replaced the windings. When I attached tape to the shaft and measured its speed, it spins at 23,006 RPM. That is much faster than it was before it broke and when it was running at 12 volts, and this one is only running at 7.4. At startup, it pulled almost 4 amps and continued to draw about 2.6 amps without any load. That's almost 20 watts of power under no load at all. Let me know in the comments what I should do with this motor. If you would like to see more fun experiments, click the playlist on the left. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any new videos.